Hello and welcome to SmartCAD Studio. If you have just opened AutoCAD and you don't know what anything else does, this is the perfect video for you. I'll walk you through the interface, units, and basic navigations so you can start drawing confidently. So when you first open AutoCAD, it's going to bring you to this main screen. Uh, this is where you can open new drawings or start a new drawing. They kind of have these templates here that you can click into, just a few sample templates. So first thing you want to do is you want to open a new drawing, and we're going to browse templates and click on browse templates, and it always wants to bring you to AutoCAD ISO, and we never want to use AutoCAD ISO, and we always want to use AutoCAD. So we're going to click into AutoCAD, we're going to open it, and this is going to bring us to our new drawing file. So this is the main screen where you'll be drawing whatever you're going to draw here, plans, elevations, so on. You can see it's on the X and Y axis. This is the main 2D drawing screen. You can see up here in Home tab, we have things to draw. We have the line, the circle, the arcs. We have modify, annotate, layers, and so on. And this is the kind of main tab that you'll be using as you make your way through AutoCAD. So as you could see, besides home, we also have a few other tabs that we could click onto. We have insert, annotate, parametric, view, manage, output, uh, add-ins, collaborate, express tools, and featured apps. So insert, we'll kind of be using, it's used to like attach different files or insert new images. Annotate, mostly use it for text and for dimensions. Those are the main two that you'll be using. Parametric, we don't really use. View, we use most for the 3D views. This is what view is mostly used for. Manage, we don't really use. Output and all the and collaborate, add-ins, express tools. We don't really use any of those. Our main one that we are going to be using is on the home tab. So now that we're back on the home tab, you can see that there's a lot that we can do here. We have the circle, the arc. In our modify tab, we have the move, copy, we stretch, we can scale things, we can mirror things, we can also rotate things, we could trim things, we can fillet things, array things, offset things, and we could also erase things. So those will be very useful in your future projects. And also you can see at the bottom, we have like these little snap tools, which are also very useful when you're creating a line and you want them to snap to each other. You could turn these tools on and off, but I prefer to keep them on because it's going to become your best friend in the future, trust me. So you can see that in here there's many options that you can have your snap tool do to snap onto. You see there is many options. Mostly I use the endpoint, the center, and I also like to use the midpoint. So yeah, anyways, you can turn these things on and off and use them at will. Here, I will also like to show you guys kind of how I delete things easily. So here I'm making a line, and really you just click and you just drag to like pick something. So you just click and then you just drag it, and you don't click anything else. You just click one time and drag it, and you also have to press the delete button. So you can't press backspace. Backspace doesn't work on AutoCAD. You have to press delete button to be able to delete things. So that's kind of how that works. So as you can see, we also have a command tab that you can type things into. See that here I can type line as the command tab, and it's going to know what to do for me. So the command tab is a really good resource. It's kind of just AutoCAD talking to you, telling you Like you type in command and kind of tells you like what you have to do to achieve that command. Also, you can see here that you can also just type it as you're on the main drawing screen. You just type in L and then line will come up or other many other things that don't usually show up in the main tabs in the main like home screen. So you're also able to type in the main drawing screen and bring up whatever tool you need. So see here that I typed in units and it brings me to this little page. And this is where I can choose different units I want to work in. So whether it's meters or inches, I can really just choose whatever units I'm going to work in on AutoCAD to draw really whatever I want. AutoCAD is really free range, so you can draw anything you want from cities all the way down just to a small house. Yeah, so now that you know your way around AutoCAD, the next step is learning how to draw lines, arcs, and shapes. And that's coming in the next video. So make sure you're subscribed to SmartCAD Studio, and I'll be seeing you there.